Welcome to StoRemote and all our how-to videos. This is a series of video tutorials that will help you access your account and navigate through the system. How to add a type of discount. Type of discounts allows you to preset discounts that are commonly used in your store, such as senior citizens discount, loyalty discount, employee discount, and others. To be able to add a type of discount, you will need to log into your dashboard. Once you are in, go to the top right corner of your dashboard, select Modules, and in the drop-down menu, select Customer Types. Once in the Customer Types window, look for the Add New Customer Type button found in the top right corner. This will lead you to the New Customer Type window. Fill in the information needed, then select Submit. Once you click Submit, and all information needed has been provided, you will then get a prompt saying that you have successfully added a customer type.